Ito yung binili namin. It's a chicken biryani. Yung special nila kanina.
Cookie friends, well, this is my place for you. Still I remember and still you're this.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. So, kagigising ko lang, while not really. I woke up like 6:30 this morning and I started doing all the dishes from last night kasi napagod kaming dalawa for whatever reason. So, maga kami nag-supper actually. Nagluto ako ng pancit. Just having my first coffee of the day. Si Chris is still sleeping siya. So, hindi ko muna siya gigisingin. Probably not till 8 para makapagpahinga kasi wawa naman yung asawa ko. Have a coffee, you guys. Tomorrow, my siblings gonna go visit us here and they're gonna overnight here sa apartment. So, both of us are really excited to see them again kahit kakakita lang namin sa kanila last weekend, I think. So, ayun, I'm so excited. So, another thing, I need to prep some foods for them. So, probably, baka magtingin lang kami ng mga few stuff from the grocery. Dito kami ngayon sa Bath and Body. Nag-aamoy. Bumibili kami ng aming tawag dito lang? Scented candle for the apartment para mabango siya. Ayan, nag-aamoy-amoy na kami. One is the hot cocoa and cream. Babe, you want this one? You want this? You wanna switch? Which one you wanna switch? Ha? Panlalaki.
Ganda din.
Ay, papa. Ito na lang yung bibili namin. Ginam at saka 1,000. Ayan na. Okay, let's go pay na. Dalawa, babe. Guys, andito kami sa Sherwood Park Mall. Ayan, pinapalinis ko lang yung sing-sing ko dito sa sa Michael Hill. Ayan, she's the one helping us. So, ayan, ikot lang tayo. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga cute nilang designs for today. Ayun lang. Ito yung binili namin. It's a chicken biryani. Yung special nila kanina. Ayan. Kain tayo, guys.
That's spicy.
Ito kami, guys, sa freshly juice ba ang tawag sa kanya. Ayan. Ang laki. Bumili kami ng large, tsaka mango with lychee. Hi! Dito na naman kami sa favorite namin picture dito sa Edmonton. Isama nga namin yung mga kapatid ko. Dinalaw nila tayo dito. So, magsasupper lang tayo dito sa picture. Ayan yung kapatid ko. Say hi to my vlog. Cute. Hi, brother. Ayan yung ating mga pachet. Ito na yung aming pagkain. Side dish. O, diba? Diba? Bagong mukha po dito. Hindi ko po ito kilala. Pero mukhang maganda naman siya. Ang feeling! Ayan siya, guys.
Hindi dapat dito. restaurant na hindi talaga nakakasama.
Guys, dito kami sa The Dutch for breakfast. Hi sister! Ang ganda naman ng kapatid ko. Parang foreigner siya guys. Kaya ayun.
Bakasyon galing New Zealand.
Ang ganda niya, diba? Oh. Eh, pero ang ganda ko dyan din. No? Fresh.
Fresh.
Dito kami mag-breakfast or brunch bago kami mag-West Edmonton Mall. Good na nila. Ayan. Siyempre ako usually ang palagi kong in-order ay ang ating classic na marami. Ayan. Mediterranean omelette for this guy. Ayan. Mine is this. Benedict. And kain tayo. Yummy. Sarap. Ito kami sa bagong store dito sa West End. Para siyang Korean store. Ang dami nila mga bagong brands. At napakita ko sa inyo mga few. This one is nice, oh. Oh.
So it's nice.
It's two pouches. Oops.
I got it.
Thank you. Oh, fashion cute band. Yan. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. So right now I'm sitting here at the sofa. Still deciding if I really want to do a workout today. But as you can see, my face so flawless. Love it. It's just dry. I just washed my face with CeraVe, and then I just put I don't know, like a lip balm with a tint. Since I'm starting my vlog now, might as well do the workout right now. So I'm gonna try to do the Chloe Ting workout today and see how we're liking it. Usually I really love Chloe Ting's workout. It gives me sweat that I really like. So it's just super tiring when the workout is over. It's just, I can't do much after because I'm so tired. But anyway, let's do our workout this morning. It's actually 8:05 in the morning. Nag-adjust na yung oras pala from yesterday. So, nakatulog tayo ng mahaba yesterday. So, ayun lang. So, let's do our workout. Grabe guys. Ilang minutes pa lang ako nagko-Chloe Ting na workout. Tignan niyo naman ang sweat ni ate. Oh. Diba? Pawis na pawis. Nagpahinga lang ako kasi grabe. First few minutes pa lang ang intense agad. So ayan, pawis na pawis tayo. Pero feels so good talaga pag si Chloe Ting ang workout natin. Just an update, guys. I finished the whole workout. That's good. I'm so happy. So, ayun lang. So, guys, magigisa tayo nitong sayote na ang tagal ko nang gustong lutuin with kamatis. Tapos, ilagan na rin natin itong natitirang repolyo para walang sayang. So another cooking session with me. I'll be cooking repolyo with kinamatisang sayoto with cabbage, I think. So ito na, nahiwa ko na yung ingredients. So ngayon naman guys, while waiting for the vegetable, gusto ko nang hiwain yung chicken. Gusto ko na siyang lutuin din, pero naisip ko yung vegetable muna kasi this one, pwede ko siyang lutuin. It's either tomorrow or the next day pa. So, ayan, gusto ko lang siyang ilabas at linisin na siya at i-slice na. So kumukulo na siya. Tignan natin kung malambot na yung vegetable. Actually, hindi ko talaga guys alam kung anong lasa nitong gulay natin. But tayo lang natin lumambot yung vegetable. Tapos okay na yan. Tikman lang natin anong lasa. We can add more toyo. So, okay na tong ating gulay. Kailangan ko na lang siyang palambutin ng very light yung sayote because medyo matigas pa siya. Pero, other than that, it's good na. The flavor, I think it's good. So, waiting na lang tayo maluto siya at lumambot. Hello everyone! Welcome to a new vlog! So, as usual, nandito naman tayo sa kitchen as a wifey. So, I'm craving for sinangag. So, may leftover rice tayo from last night. And eto, nag-cut lang ako ng garlic para makapagluto na tayo ng fried rice. Tapos, ang dami nating leftover. So, my plan is to actually, i-mix nyo yung egg at saka yung rice and this. So, I think that will be really, really good. So, hopefully, I can nail that recipe, no? Pero, ayun lang. I just wanna say hello, everybody. Welcome to our new vlog. So, happy Wednesday. No, happy Tuesday. Titikman natin siya. Okay. So, ayan. Meron tayong hotdog, egg, tsaka, of course, the rice. Yeah. Cheers! So yummy! Andito ako guys sa Canadian Tire. Nag-iigib lang tayo ng water. Ayan. 2 galon na ubos namin in 1 week. So, it's pretty crazy. Pero ayun lang, igib lang tayong tubig dito sa Canadian Tire and then we're gonna go to pharmacy after this. Good morning everyone! Welcome to our new vlog. So, I don't know kung nasan na hinto yung vlog natin for this week, but today is Friday and today is another day. So, anyway, hindi ako nakapag-vlog in the last few days kasi sobrang na-busy and super not feeling good at all ako. So, ngayon, nandito ako sa room namin. I'm gonna start packing some of the stuff na dadala namin sa Bonneville kasi bivisit kami ulit sa family ko sa Bonneville kasi, you know, lagi tayong pumupunta dun if time permits, no? So, today, magpapak ako para pagdating ni Chris is papakainin lang natin siya at babiyahin na rin tayo. So, let's pack our stuff para lalagyan na natin siya sa maleta. Hi guys! So, it's currently almost it's actually 4:20 right now. I just did a quick workout with Chloe Ting here. And as usual, Chloe Ting is giving us a really good workout. So today I did the, I think 20 minutes HIIT cardio workout for fat loss. Guys, andito kami sa Burgers Place here sa Jasper Avenue. Bago kami pumunta ng Bonneville, kakain muna kami dito ng snacks lang daw. O supper. Uy, malupit talaga tong asawa ko. Good morning guys! From Bonneville, andito kami ngayon sa bahay na. Late na kami nakarating last night, mga 10:30 na. Pero ayan, napasarap ang aming tulog. Yung mga aking pamilya. Yan, si buddy ko, si mommy ko, at saka yung sister ko yan. Ayan. Ay, pakita ko pala sa inyo mga plants ko, guys. Ang laki na nila. Inaalagaan sila na mabuti ng nanay ko dito. Ito yung jade ko. Ayan. Parang nawala yung mga dahon niya, no? Little bit. Tapos, ito yung aking cactus. Ayan, malaki na siya. Ooh, so pretty. Tapos, ito ay ang aking Chinese money tree. Ayan siya. Ganyan. Tapos, guys, ito naman yung aking money tree ko. Diba? Ang laki-laki niya na. So, hindi siya masyadong dinidiligan kasi it doesn't need lots of water. So, ayan. Ang cute. Super laki niya, guys. Super tiny lang nito nung binili ko. Pero, eto na siya. Super nice. Oh. So, usual, maingay na naman po kami dito sa bahay namin sa Bonneville. Ayan. Oh. Kakagulo na naman kami.
Kasi yung story niya,
Yan.
yung pangit.
Masaya talaga pag nasa Bonneville.
Nakatakas sa kulungan.
Ito yung aming food, sausawan. Oh, ulo ng baboy. Fiesta yan, mom. Thank you, mommy. Tapos meron tayong palabok. Tapos Shanghai. Ano ka na naman dyan?
Napapalunok na guys.
Napapalunok. Ayan. Kain tayo. pupunta tayo sa Cold Lake with the fam. So, getting ready lang. Where's my moisturizer? So, bit-bit ko lang dito yung mga travel size natin na mga skincare. So, for today's plan is we are just gonna go around Cold Lake as usual. And on supper, magpa-pho daw kami. Because who doesn't love pho? That guy out there at the back loves pho so much. So, that's what we're gonna do. So guys, dito kami kay pho. Sarap. The best. Oh, diba? Okay, so it's currently 2:26, almost 2:30 in the afternoon. We're gonna go grocery today and then mag-iigib na rin tayo ng water. So, ayun yung agenda natin. Sila nitong guys, persimmon. Siyempre, kukuha tayo niyan. Favorite natin yan. At naka 0.99 lang siya. So, bibili tayo. Maliliit. Bili tayo mga 3. So, ayun nga, hindi tayo masyado makapag-vlog kasi sobrang busy dito sa grocery. So, ang dami na natin nakuha ng mga gulay. Andito ako ngayon sa mga jam because I'm looking for a peanut butter. Ito yung binibili ni Chris, pero ito na lang lagay natin. Ayan. Ito na yung mga napamili natin. Nagkuha lang ako ng avocado para sa toast natin. Ayan. Goodies! Morning everyone! Happy Friday! So today, we're gonna cook breakfast. So magluluto lang tayo dito ng avocado toast. So nagluluto na ako ng fried egg dito. Super cozy ang outfit natin this morning kasi medyo malamig na siya. Pero ayan. Baby, can you open this for me, please? Ganesh Cafe. I cannot. I have no power yet. So if you guys are curious, we just using Nescafe instant coffee. We also have here the Nespresso machine. For mabilisang coffee, we always use Nescafe. Meron lang kami ditong coffee mate na double bubble. Double bubble, but us, we have no problem.
avocado.
Yeah, that one is not, brownie.
Fernando.